One issue that has plagued federal courts ever since the development of diversity jurisdiction has been how to apply state law, or when to apply federal law instead. Since the United States Supreme Court first addressed the issue in 1842, its guidance hasn't always been consistent or clear. Byrd v. Blue Ridge Rural Electric Cooperative was an important step in the evolution of the court's thinking in this area. James Earl Byrd, a North Carolina resident, was a lineman employed by R.H. Bouligny, Incorporated, a construction contractor. Blue Ridge Rural Electric Cooperative, a South Carolina electric service provider, contracted with Bouligny to build 24 miles of Blue Ridge power lines. While on the job, Byrd came in contact with exposed power lines, which burned his hands and forearms so severely that both arms had to be amputated at the elbows. Byrd received workers' compensation benefits from Bouligny. Workers' compensation is a mandatory insurance plan that pays lost wages and medical costs to employees accidentally injured or killed on the job, regardless of fault. In exchange, the employer is immune from further employee litigation, even if the employer was negligent. So Byrd couldn't sue Bouligny. Instead, Byrd sued Blue Ridge in federal court in South Carolina, alleging common law negligence and invoking diversity jurisdiction. Blue Ridge argued that South Carolina's workers' compensation law also granted it employer immunity, since Blue Ridge contracted with Bouligny to do the same type of work that Blue Ridge construction crews did. Before the case went to the jury, the district court judge ruled against Blue Ridge's immunity defense. The jury then awarded Byrd over $125,000 in damages. The Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit overturned the verdict. It determined that under South Carolina law, the evidence supported Blue Ridge's employer immunity defense and dismissed the case.